welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do an everyday makeup look. I'm using this Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I already moisturized. I use my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion like I do every single day. And then for foundation, I'm using this Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 240 with my Tarte Quickie blending sponge that is really busted, but you know. Your girl's gonna use it anyways because it's expensive. So I'm just applying the foundation. I like to apply it on each side of my face at a time because it does dry rather quickly. But this is my ultimate favorite foundation, guys. Like, you guys know, if you guys know me, you know that I love Bad Girl Riri. You know, she's my girl. And this is literally like my 4th bottle of the Pro Filter. I just love the finish. I love the way it wears. It's just so beautiful and nice, and I love it. So I'm just applying some more foundation to the other side. And a lot of people say, hey, it looks like you're wearing like a whole new face. Well, yeah, that's the point. It's makeup. It's not, you know, I'm not trying to look like myself. Duh. Alright, so for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. And then I'm just going underneath the eyes. And I don't do this every day, but just on the days where I feel like I didn't get enough sleep the night before and I need that extra coverage, this concealer does a really good job of that, and it is brightening, which I love. And then of course I'm just using the same Tarte Quickie blending sponge and just blending it out. Now for setting powder, I'm using this Airspun. I use the translucent extra coverage powder, and you can get it at Walmart. Now before I even do that, I just like to go over all of the areas of my face that has crevices, like my eyelids, underneath my eyes, around my nose, just because I know that, you know, it might crease. So I just go over it before I put the powder, and then when I feel like it's flat and all pretty, then I go ahead with the powder and just set under my eyes first, and then set the whole face. So I literally set my whole face, because I feel like if you don't set your face and you just go in with powder that's like a contour blush, it's just gonna be smeary and it's not gonna look nice. So once everything is set with the powder, I just go in with a big powder brush and lightly wipe and pat away the powder. Lightly. Because, you know, you don't want to take away all the hard work you just did. I know it looks like super ghostly right here, but trust me, girl, when you do the flash, it doesn't give you flashback. Now for bronzer, I'm using this Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced, and I just use it to bronze / contour because I don't do super hardcore contouring. So I just use it to kind of bring some shape and depth back into my face. And I also do a little bit on my nose, not too much, but just to, you know, make my nose appear a little smaller than what it is. So I just go back in with the Quickie blending sponge, and I'm just using the part of the sponge where I don't have foundation on, just to smooth out those lines. And then for blush, I'm using this Sephora blush called Too Hot, and it is a orange shade. I used it in a video a couple of videos ago, and this has been my favorite go-to blush. I use it every single day, and it's not too orangey, just the perfect amount of color. And when I feel like I have a little too much, I just go in with the powder brush and lightly, again, just go on top of the blush just to kind of blend everything out. Now for brows, I've been using this one lately. It's from NYX. It's their Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade Chocolate. And voila, you magically get some brows. Hey, brows on fleek. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you later. Bye.